What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos de nuevo a mi canal. I am Melissa Ruby and I am back. I am back to creating videos for you guys. So I've never really been gone this long. I think it's been a little bit over a week or so. Um, so I was very present on my social media, like on my Insta, on all of my Instas, and I was just really letting you guys know why I wasn't like posting, why I wasn't making videos, why I just didn't do anything for about a week. And the truth is that I have a lot of anxiety. I suffer from very, very, very harsh anxiety in my life. Um, I don't know if I've said it on my channel yet. Have I? I don't know, and I'm sorry if I'm gonna get like, this probably isn't the right video to say it, but I need to let you guys know why I have anxiety. So a lot of you guys probably don't know this. The people close in my life who I know on a personal level know that I'm a cancer survivor, and I feel like that's the reason why I have a lot of my anxiety. And whenever any kind of like thing comes up in my life, like, you know, sickness, death, I'm getting anxious right now. Oh my God. Whenever those kind of things come up in our lives, in my life, I get very anxious. I get very, very anxious. I don't know how to deal with it. I'm trying to deal with it on a healthier level. I've never gone to a therapist after my trauma. I've never seen a professional about my anxiety. I am not clinically declared anxious, like with anxiety. It's just something that I feel and that I've looked up information on, and I have anxiety. But it comes from that. So I want to try to deal with it in a different way, to where I don't resort to like drugs, medication, or even like drinking, things like that, to kind of just calm me down. I'm trying to do it on my own. And yeah, so I kind of needed like a week to just kind of gather my thoughts and just really take care of myself a little bit. So whenever you guys see that I don't post frequently, I know a couple of you guys were like, Mel, we really love your channel, but you don't post as often. Well, the reason is that I come first. The reason is that I always try to take care of myself, my well-being, before I create, because I always want to be in a happy state, because this brings so much joy to my life, and I want to keep it that way. You hear of all of these other YouTubers that like burn out, and then they want to break from this because I feel like they push through it and they really don't take care of themselves. And this, for some reason, just ends up being like a chore to them, and I never want this to be a chore to me. So I'm only gonna do this when I'm happy and when I want to create for you guys. So that was just my little explanation on why it is that I was gone for so long. But I thank you guys for sticking with me, and I thank you guys for coming back and watching my videos. But I want to let you guys know that I'm okay. I have a very strong support system. My husband is everything to me, and him and, you know, a couple of my best friends are the ones that I really talk to about this. I don't like to bombard a lot of people with my feelings, and a lot of people think anxiety is like, oh, another millennial has anxiety, but it really is a true thing. So I don't know if anybody has seen that new Jaclyn Hill, where she tells us why she's been MIA, or why she has had weight gain, or all of those things going on in her life. That video, that update video where she describes her anxiety, that is just it. That is how people with anxiety feel. So I am 100% rooting for her, and She probably doesn't like know about me, but I am her supporter. And when someone feels that way, it's just, you just have to hold on, because not a lot of things can help you get out of it. But love to Jaclyn and love to anyone who does suffer from anxiety. I know some of you guys that I've been talking to on Insta have told me when I posted my little post thing that you do suffer from anxiety, and just know that you're not alone. And if you guys ever need to talk, you always have my Insta. Just DM me and I will talk you through it and we can help each other. All right, you guys, so let's get into this video. I'm so sorry about if I took this video into a turn. I just want to be completely honest and transparent with you guys, but I am so happy to be here. I have missed you guys so much. First things first, I want to get through is that we do have another giveaway going on for the month of February, and you guys already know it is the Thalia collection. If you guys haven't seen this video, I will link it down below so you can check it out. And if you like the products and you like me and you want to enter this giveaway, don't be afraid to. And you guys are honestly amazing. You guys have, in like a matter of like a couple days, have gotten me past 400 subscribers. You are amazing. So something cool that I thought about doing is that if I get past like the 100, right? So we just broke 100, so that I was doing the giveaway before we broke 100. So if we break every 100 that we break, I'm gonna add another winner to the giveaway. So now, because we have gone past the 400 mark, I'm gonna add another giveaway. I'm gonna come up with things to give you guys, because I don't have like a makeup stash or like PR or anything. I wish, right? To give you guys. So I'm gonna come up with a second prize winner for the same giveaway. Okay, so I want to make sure everybody wins. So every 100 that we break, I'm gonna keep adding another giveaway winner. So the first giveaway winner will win the Thalia collection, and then I might just take like a trip to Ulta and get you guys like a Morphe palette or something like that for the second. And then if we break another 100, the third, and then so forth. So that way you guys have a lot more incentive to really spread the word about my channel and get people to come to visit. Okay, so with that being said, that we know that Jaclyn Hill is about to drop another palette with Morphe. I am so excited, because you guys, my other best friend and I were talking about this palette the other day. We were freaking out when we heard that she was gonna have another palette. It's very unfortunate how things happen. So the fact that somebody leaked her product again, like, universe, can we please give Miss Jaclyn a break? Let's just give her a break, because she needs to win too, you guys. Let's spread love. So that doesn't take away from the fact that the palette is beautiful. This is the first one. This is the original, the OG, the GOAT. This palette is everything, you guys. So this is the first one. We were talking about this palette, my BF and we were just like, this is the GOAT. You can do so much with this palette. And if you guys haven't seen the new Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette that is about to come out in like, I think it's gonna drop on the 13th of February, which I want to buy. That one, like, side to side to this one, it looks amazing. So with honoring the fact that she has another palette to come out, I figured I would bust this bad boy out and we would make a romantic Valentine's Day look. What do you guys think? Should we do it? I thought so too. So I believe this palette is still being sold at Morphe, or yeah, it's still being sold at Morphe and also Ulta. So I kind of want to do like the pink vibes on here. I already have my base done. I already have my concealer, my powder. I put my lip on, you guys, because on top of my whole anxiety tip, I also am sick. I am coming down with something that I don't even know, but I'm trying to work past it, through it, around it. Like, I have a headache right now and I'm trying not to get distracted by it, but I think I'm coming down with something. My lips are completely broken in fever blisters, and I just did a really good job at hiding it from you guys. So I will give you the details on my lips and my face. If you want to see this Valentine's Day look using the first Jaclyn Hill x Morphe collab palette, then keep watching this video. Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Okay, now that our brows are done, let's start with the colors for the eyeshadows. Okay, so let's go with Pukey, and we're gonna put this on our crease. So one really cool thing that I saw on the new palette, once it was released, they showed the pictures of it, is that it has the names on it. So I don't know if it has that clear Morphe sheet that they put on everything, or if they actually put the names over each shadow. But if they did that, oh my gosh, lifesaver, because as you guys see, I literally wrote the names on here. Like, so I hope that the actual palette does have the names on them. So we're just gonna take that Pukey color and we're just gonna work it on our crease very swiftly. And we're just gonna work it a little bit. I don't want this color to be so blown out like I normally do. It's gonna be a really easy like Valentine's Day look. I also want to recreate my New Year's Eve look that I posted on my IG. A lot of you guys did like it, and I want to recreate that for you guys. Okay, just like so. So Sissy, we're gonna take that color right here. Color Sissy, and we're just gonna apply that to our lid right now. Look at that. OMG, that's why it's like the GOAT. And also too, like the one thing that I'm really excited too about this new palette is that it has pressed glitters. Yes, so I'm excited about that. So I'm just gonna take that Sissy tone, the Sissy color, and I'm just going to press it and drag it at the same time all on my lid. And then don't be afraid to really go all the way, not all the way up to your crease, but a little bit up to the crease. So it can give you that little hint of the color. Okay, so now we're gonna make this a little bit more pinky, a little bit more romantic. So I'm going to take Jax, which is right here, right there, and I'm going to mix it with Crayon Apple, just so we can get some sort of pinky vibe, okay? And we're going to start to work this on our crease, but very delicately, because I don't want this to turn into a very heavy, dark eye. And we're just gonna take Crayon Apple mixed with Jax, and we're going to lightly dust it on our lash line. It's just gonna give us this beautiful kind of like shadow. I'm just gonna pick up the same Sissy shade, but I'm just going to use this to really blend that pink into that crease, and then that darker Crayon Apple Jax color we mixed. And under the lash line too, just to make it nice and soft. That's so easy. It's like super easy, and just like that you have your color down. So we're just going to take this bottom color, Soda Pop. We're mostly doing this for that undertone that this shadow has, and we're just going to stamp this on our lash line. So this is going to give us that like really smoky romantic look. We are going to take Beam which is my jam. This color is everything on this palette. So this is basically the eye. Let's put some liner on. Let's put some mascara. I'm gonna throw some lashes on and then we will be back. All right, you guys, so this is the eye look with the lashes. Just a very romantic moment, just some very natural glam. Okay, so now let's do the rest of our face makeup. So that's what's gonna bring this look up to 100. All right, you guys, so let's start with some contouring. So we can use, let me use a more affordable, since we're doing Morphe, let me use the 8H palette. This is the face palette. Let's go in with a little bit warmer, so let's go in with Debutante. And then we're gonna start in the back, and we're just gonna do our circles, just really lightly, no pressure on your face. So we're just gonna smile and go in little circles. We're gonna come down here, just do the same thing. So I'm just gonna go all over with Debutante from the palette. And just drag it down. So I went to the drugstore and I ended up buying a couple new blushes. You guys, I don't know when I became obsessed with blushes, but I am. Oh yes, it was when I bought the Blossom collection from KKW. Her blushes are amazing, and those were the first ones that I like really dove into, other than the MAC ones. But girl, they are amazing. If you guys have like a blush obsession and you want to try her blushes, the formula is amazing. So we are going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Rose. Blush in Rose. And we're just going to go in those rosy cheeks. And then we are smiling the whole time through our contour application and our cheek. And then I want to bring it back a little bit. The blush is the star. So the other one that I picked up is called Peach. So here they are. Look it. You can tell. And just, I'm kind of like tapping and swiping all, starting from the ball of apples of my cheeks all the way up to my cheekbones. So I'm going to use the Beam highlight for my actual highlight. So I'm just going to pick up this brush. So I'm just going to put it like towards the back of my cheek, or my highlight, my cheekbone, not on the front. Like back here, because this is where I want it to shine. Okay, so now we did that. I'm gonna go in with Peach. I'm gonna pick it up on here. Go in for round número 2. All right, you guys, that was it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it came out really, really beautiful. This is very Valentine's-y, very romantic, soft makeup look for Valentine's Day. If you guys rock this look, don't forget to tag me on your Insta, your social media. Go ahead and hit that like and subscribe and join our little familia here on YouTube, you guys. Don't forget to look at the giveaway video for February. It is pretty bomb. If you guys want to check that out, I will link the video down below. Let me know if you guys, how you guys like this look. Let me know if you guys would rock this. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you guys for being there for me through my videos, and keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing these videos, you guys. I love you guys so, so, so much, and I will see you next time for more makeup videos, more tutorials. Thank you guys so much for watching. Adios.